Hello, Albena here. Hi, sweeties. I hope it is very sunny at your place too. Now, I was walking in the sun and bumped into an old friend of mine who has a coaching practice for men. He's coaching men who have problems with establishing good relationships, finding a partner, and being confident in their daily life. And I was just curious and asked him, okay, so how is it going? And he said, Albena, I'm a bit surprised that I have many women also who approach me. Although I target men, I have every day 30 new followers, which are all women. How come? And I was, of course, making a joke, like, because you're a charming guy, but when I think a bit, I think he is dealing with an universal human condition. It's not just men that have issues with confidence, it's also women. It's very human, and it's an ongoing thing to work on your confidence. For some things you're confident, for other things you're not. So I would like to share with you today a beautiful decomposition of what confidence means from one beautiful soul called Imagine Roy. I'll put some links below. She says, okay, so confidence comes with practice, with taking action. So let's take, for example, driving a car. When I first stepped into the car, I was like, oh my God, someone's gonna die. I'm gonna either kill myself or someone else in the traffic. So big things are at risk. My life is at risk. And yet I was daring, through the teachers, coaching, and a lot of practice, I was daring to ride a car. But I still remember the first time I put my baby in the car, I felt again so unconfident, so uncertain of my capability to ride a car. And yet there was something in me that said, you're gonna make it, just try. And now today I ride a car without thinking of any of the risks, although they exist. I'm not thinking of them, I'm confident. So yes, how do you build confidence? And what makes is this action, but what makes you take action is the courage. So the courage to take action is the courage that says to you, okay, this might be risky, this might not work, this might put me in trouble, but I have the courage to do it because it's so important to me, and because I know somewhere deep in me that I'm gonna land on my legs, that whatever it happens, I'm gonna get up and go again. It's worth it. So this courage comes from the knowledge that you are capable of taking care of yourself. Comes from the knowledge that you can, even if it goes wrong, when you take action, you'll lick your wounds and continue, and you'll be even proud of yourself that you tried, instead of punishing yourself and not taking it as a mistake. And this is a very important step that Imagine Roy says. Now, how do you get this courage? Where it comes from, right? Where is it? It comes from self-love, according to her, and I feel it's true. It comes from knowing that you can take care of yourself very well. It comes from the little steps that you take every day, where you confirm to yourself that you can take care of yourself, that you love yourself. For example, if you say to yourself, I need really to take care of my health, and I need to drink 8 glasses of water per day, and you end up drinking those 8 glasses of water per day, you can say, yes, I love myself, I took care of myself, and I did what I said I'm gonna do. If, for example, you manage to put limits, to express the limits to people who often cross those limits and hurt you, and you stand for yourself, and you verbalize those needs of yours, or limits, so that people can respect them. That's also taking care of yourself. And the more you take care of yourself, the more you practice self-love, the more courage you will have to do amazing adventures and taking risks and going after your dreams, and the more confident you will be in standing in this world. So, all right, self-care to dare, right? Tell me about your moments of feeling confident, or moments that you would like to build confidence. I would like to hear about that. Big kiss. Ciao.